Now, I've received so much information, various kind of information. Sabing na bumoto kami ng straight PDP laban, okay naman. Meron ding dumarating na, bumoto kami ng straight PDP laban, ganito yung lumalabas, nagkakadayan na. Tapos may mga sumisingit din na comment. Ganito rin lang pala, dayan na, wag na lang tayong bumoto. So, ang apprehension ko kasi, yung naglalabas ang mga comments sa social media, maybe itinanim din siguro ng kabilang grupo yan to discourage the overseas Filipino workers from voting. Because based on the information I got, more than 90% of OFW will vote straight PDP laban. And that is the situation now. So, meron silang mga part of their demolition team na sige, magpakalat tayo na nagkakaroon na ng dayan para hindi na boboto yung mga overseas Filipino workers. Then there will be a very low turnout of voters in the OFW. And there will be very low turnout naman doon sa voting here in the Philippines on May 12. Kaya yung panawagan ni Attorney Vic is very, very important. No? Let us not be deterred or discouraged by all this negative information that we are getting. Hindi natin alam kung sino ang nagpapakalat na nito kasi meron ng kasunod na, i-boycott na lang natin to, ano na lang to, kalokohan na itong election na ito, things like that. Meron nang nag-i-instigate din na, mag-ano na lang tayo, people power. Please, wag po tayong basta-basta maniwala doon. Let's keep the fire of democracy, representative democracy burning, and that is for us to exercise our right of suffrage. Labas po tayo sa May 12 here in the Philippines. Our overseas Filipino workers, panawagan po namin sa inyo, you keep voting, tsakain po ninyo yung nangyayari po dyan na online voting kasi wala pong order to stop it. So, pakiusap namin muli sa ating mga OFWs. Pag nakaboto na po kayo, keep the fire burning again to campaign more. Mahaba pa ito. We have still 26 days more to go campaigning. And nakita nyo naman yung latest survey ng lahat ng mga survey firm na hindi natin alam kung kakampi natin sila or kalaban. Pero kahit nakalaban siguro, they cannot deny the fact that all of us here, lahat ng kandidatong ito, we have gained so much percentage of points doon sa preference, voting preference. Attorney Jimmy has, I think, 12.5 rating. Ganon din si Pastor Kibuloy, Vic. Number 12 na. Si Congressman Marcoleta, I think 10 to... Nandun na, pasok na, 4 na yung pasok doon sa latest na survey ng isang firm. And then nandun doon, palapit na si Jimmy, palapit na rin si Vic, palapit na rin kami ni JV. And then, Doc Marites Mata. So lahat kami umaangat. And then we have seen already the enthusiasm of the people on the ground na talagang vote is straight PDP laban. So, yung mga balita na yan na pinapakalat nila ngayon sa Facebook, may kaakibat yan na discouragement for the voters to go out and vote kasi nga magkakadayan. Please, don't entertain that negative thought. Let's keep on fighting, campaigning, and voting.